In a shimmering, starry night, in a tranquil forest glade, a symphony of light began, led by the tiny fireflies. Their radiant dance, a dazzling display, a sight to behold. A spectacle that captured the heart of every fortunate beholder. One curious young firefly, named Phosphor, sought to understand the glowing secret within them, the cause of their mystic dance. He questioned his elders, "Why do we glow in the dark of night? Is there a hidden magic, a sacred science at play?" The wise old firefly, named Aurelia, shared a story so grand. Long ago, when the world was young, we fireflies were born. From the heart of a dying star, we were scattered across space. To light up the dark corners, to brighten the night's embrace. But how do we glow so brightly? Young Phosphor asked again. It's a chemical reaction, my dear, Aurelia began. Within us, there's a compound called luciferin. And with the help of oxygen and an enzyme called luciferase, we produce light energy that helps us find our way. Phosphor listened intently, his curiosity now laid to rest. He marveled at the intricate dance of the fireflies infest. Their light, a symbol of life, a beacon to guide. A reminder that even the smallest can make a difference and shine. From that day on, Phosphor never took his light for granted. He spread his newfound knowledge to every firefly he encountered. And the dance of the fireflies continued, their light a lesson for all. The simple things in life, when understood, can bring us awe and awestruck awe. Moral of the story asterisk. In the dance of life, we each have our own unique light to share. By understanding our own chemistry, we can make the world a brighter place to care.